Hi, is where you going with me box them?
Sir.
No, sir. Call the police. Call the police.
All
Lady,
I'm
call the
doing
police.
is assisting you, sir.
Assisting who? Assisting yourself to me bag them. I said thief. Police.
What seems to be the problem, sir? I am the manager of the hotel.
Me dear sir, I was coming out of the car to come and spend my vacation into your nice, beautiful hotel. When out of nowhere, I see this thieving man come to thief me things them, sir.
Oh, I apologize for this misunderstanding, but this goodly gentleman is our bellman.
That is what I was trying to tell you, Oliver.
Bellman, what that have to do with it? Look here now, sir. Please don't come to me with your politics. I am a tourist, not a politician. Bellman or no bellman, him is a blinking thief.
Oh, no, sir. This gentleman is a bellman who works for the hotel. Our bellmen are responsible for attending to the luggage of our registered guests.
Attending to me box them?
Yes, sir. Seeing to it that they're taken to the room that we have prepared for you.
Oh, like a buckler. Then why you never said that all along? Him is a buckler. Well, sorry about the embarrassment. My name is Oliver.
Pleased to meet you, sir.
Oh, yes, sir. You see, I win a church raffle, you know, and me get the gate prize for too, so me come down here to spend my holiday.
Oh, you are Olivius Adams,
Yes.
the lucky winner. We have been expecting you.
Oh.
Jackson is the name. Yes. Bill Jackson.
Yes.
General manager of this property. Please call me Bill.
And you can call me Oliver. I am so happy to make your acquaintances.
Bellman, please ensure that all the courtesies of the hotel are extended to Mr. Adams.
Certainly, sir.
Introduce me now, Oliver.
Oh, this is Spear. My lady. She come with me.
Pleased to meet you.
Delighted.
Do have a pleasant stay at our hotel.
Thank you, sir, and I intend to be very pleasant.
Hi. It's my vocation, you know. It's not yours.
Please step this way.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Oh,
Receptionist?
yes.
This is Mr. Olivius Adams. Would you register him, please?
Oh, certainly, sir.
Do have a wonderful vacation, both of you. And if there's a problem, don't hesitate to call on me. Remember, it's Bill.
Okay, Bill. I will.
Good day, sir. No, may I help?
Fear. The place nice, don't you, man?
Oliver, this is the nicest place you could ever choose for a practice honeymoon.
Aye. Come, let me take your photo.
Good day, sir.
Stand up over there, sir. Pause.
All right.
Pause again. Aye, you're in that picture. Come out. Make it come out. Nice.
All right, let me take yours.
Good. Yes, take my one now. Come.
Put on the shades now.
Oh, yes. Oh, me could have forget that.
Okay, good day, sir. Now, may I...
No, me not take him. Aye, miss, take the way now. Take it to our way now. Come. Take it to our way.
Good day, sir. Welcome to the Jamrock Hotel.
Oh, morning, dam. Please, if you got a room there for me.
Do you have a reservation, sir?
No, ma'am. Me and my guest is here at a special request. You got the room for where you don't got the room, ma'am?
We have vacant rooms, sir. But this is a check-in procedure, sir. What is your name, sir?
Oliver, ma'am.
Single?
Now, what my marital status have to do with whether me get a room or not, ma'am?
I just need some information before I can assign you a room, sir. Single, meaning the occupancy of the room, sir. Single room or double room, sir?
Well, it's poor we. We's not single.
Okay, we have a selection of king-size leisure rooms available. Which would you prefer, sir? A garden view, ocean view, or mountain view, sir?
Give me the whole of them. Give me the best room.
Okay, well, we have some rates here for our ocean view rooms. We seems not to be understanding something here,
miss. We are here on a prize trip.
Of course, we got to a church function and we win the gate prize for 2. And them tell me we're going to get everything. Now, all right, see the brochure here? See where it say here?
Yes, we have your reservation for the weekend, sir. You're in a double standard room.
All right, give me the king room. The one with the mountain in the background, the sea at the front, and the running river at the doorstep.
What about the honeymoon suite?
Please don't overdo it. And what about this, eh? What about the mountain climbing and the horseback riding? Yes, and the skiing.
Skiing, sir. And, might I tell you that the package that we're offering you offers a weekend of wonderful relaxation and 1 meal a day. Now, your room number is 041, and how do you propose to settle your incidental, sir?
Call the police. Call the army. Come any incident in here?
Incidental, sir. The additional charges, sir. How do you propose to pay? Cash or credit card?
Look here, now, lady. From the day I born, I never credit nothing yet. The nearest thing I get to credit is hire purchase. Cash. Fear. Give me the money. Come on. See your money, dear. See your money, dear. Oh, come, sit there.
You pay later, sir. Now, would you sign here for me, please?
Yes.
The bellman will take you to your room. Okay. And I hope you have a very pleasant stay, sir.
Thanks. Buckler.
Sir?
Follow back Howie.
Are you Oliver?
This is your room, sir. Number 41. One of the best in the hotel.
Make me decide that for myself.
Your phone number is the same as your room number, sir. Everything all right, sir?
Just a minute, Mr. Buckler. It seemed like the receptionist at the front desk gave me the wrong room. Where is the mountain? Ain't somebody thief it? Where is the sea? It dry up. And where is the running water? Gone underground? When I look outside, all I see is source of bush.
It's not so bad after all, Oliver.
Who not take people for idiot in here? Look, see it here? The brochure said, this is what me to get, and this is what me must get. You know what? Call the manager. I say call Bill.
It's about 6 sheets them have on from the one natural.
But, sir, I have nothing to do with it. All I'm doing is following orders.
And I am ordering you to call the manager.
Oliver, the dead diggy.
You stand up there look like when thunder clap puss on the pear tree. I said call the manager.
And which way we sleep on this?
Is what wrong with you doing here? You have a week back. From you come in here holiday and it's the bed this, the bed that. To get the bed business. Hi, Buckler. Please go and take me things and carry them back downstairs.
But, sir.
No but, sir, nothing. And no hell I go hot in here.
Okay, sir. I will call the manager personally for you.
Oliver, take time with him now. Poor thing. Make him go.
All right. Go on. No. So go on now.
Tip Oliver. Tip him now.
Oh. Tip. Me forgot. Now will you please to move your carcass and tip it or straight out through the door?
We can sleep sideways or head to head.
Is we really up to here? We up to? You really take this thing of your honeymoon practice?
Oliver, give me a kiss
No, make me back on it. Boy, you good when you feel?
With what?
Last night, me and you dance. I just get up and left me song and dance with the long maga boy. It hurts me, man.
I'm not gonna say it hurts you.
Anyway, forget about that. That's a last night business. Hey, no. You see when the whole people them did crowd me around? You don't never believe what happened.
What?
The whole of them say how me look like Mike Tyson. After the autograph.
You're too nice.
Serious thing. Hi. You see how long we sit down here so and a source of water the man can't come give it? Look here. Why we don't go on like we're foreigner and speak with twang? That way then we can conserve with quick. You can't talk with twang?
We will try.
No, you can't say it that way. Say, I'll try.
I'll try.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah! Ready for order though, sir?
Look, man. You know how long we've been sitting here waiting on you and you coming to us since I read to order? At least let me look on the menu. What happened? I just get up out of bed, you know. I should have the chance to look at the menu properly.
Mr. The man over there so miserable, see man.
Which man that?
See him over there, sir, man.
Oh, you mean the big head, round head one?
See him over there for over 1 hour and then make up in mind that we fair order.
I saw them man that see man. That's why I don't like serve them people, you know.
Over there, I try twang. What you rushing me for? If I never want thing this morning, if I never want lose the little work, I would have to twang in there this morning and see who I rush who. You would have penegree.
No, man, just cool, man. You can't make a man like that make you lose the work, man. It's easy, man. Hey, he look like him ready for your order. You better go to him.
Hey, you watch me and him with the twang. You see who can twang from who can twang today.
Yeah.
Ready for order now, sir?
I can't even make up my mind, man. I think you better take my wife's order first.
Ready for order now, ma'am?
I'll take an egg omelette. Okay? Make that a big egg omelette, all right?
Well, it depends on which one you want. 2 egg or 3 egg. Or you could have a little of everything. Or you could have the Spanish omelette with vegetables.
Oh, that sounds good.
You could kill me. You
Tell
gotta kill me.
me.
Sorry.
Tell me, how do you do it? Broiled, fried, or scald?
Anyway, you want.
I tell you what, I'll take an egg omelette, a big egg omelette, okay?
Scald.
Scald, all right. What you say, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, what you having, sir?
Well, I'll take the porridge. Give me the cornmeal porridge and some sardine and 2 slices of bread. I'll do bread.
No. Listen, we don't serve them type of food upon the menu. We don't serve Jamaican food. Tell me something. You Jamaican?
Of course I'm not Jamaican. But you see where I come from, there's so much Jamaicans in West Indian there, and I always hear the Jamaicans talking about cornmeal porridge and ardo bread. So give me that.
Tell you what we can do for you, sir. We can serve you a hot bowl of cereal plus a tuna sandwich.
I does not want any cereal. I said I want cornmeal porridge and ardo bread, and that's what I want to get.
Look, sir, that's not the on the menu.
Let me ask you one question. You don't serve local food in here?
We just don't have that on the menu.
Well, let me tell you something. Get me the monitor. Call Bill. I said to call Bill.
Oliver,
You
don't
don't understand.
create,
I don't want to understand nothing. I want you to call Bill.
We don't want to serve it, sir. It's just that
don't
we
create
serve
a
that.
scene. Let's avoid the embarrassment. My God.
I'm not afraid of embarrassment, you know. I can't be embarrassed when you come onto my food. I said to call Bill. Oh,
Good morning, sir. What a beautiful day. Are you enjoying your breakfast?
are I enjoying what? You see any food in front of me?
What's the problem, sir? How can we please you?
Will you please me by please the serving me, please, sir? Let me ask you one question. You don't serve Jamaicans in here.
Oh, but we do serve Jamaicans, sir. It has always been a policy of this hotel.
So you're calling me a liar? His hand truth me telling. Call back the waiter. I said call him back because he was right here, so have him serve with the water and don't bring us the bill here.
This has got to be a misunderstanding, sir.
No misunderstanding at all, sir. This is a blatant case of discrimination and exploitation. What happened? Not because me look so. What you think? You don't think that I can eat into a hotel, sir?
Sir, with due respect, let me remind you that the payment of your bill is complimentary.
I travel all over the world, you know. I travel all over the world and eat in all sort of restaurants free, from Kentucky Fried Chicken to Buckingham Palace. And I never get this sort of treatment here. Let me ask you something. You don't serve residents here?
Sir, we have never refused to serve residents. And furthermore, as a resident myself, I empathize with you. This sort of behavior cannot be condoned.
Hey, you are resident. Master not talk so many people here, yeah. And in any event, you wouldn't understand, you know. Because anywhere you go with your high collar, you will never have no problem to get anything.
Well, let's not get personal now, sir.
My personality is quite okay, you know, sir. When I done with you see, I go and report to all the radio program them on radio and in all the scandal paper them.
Oh, sir. Certainly you wouldn't allow this small incident to be the cause of a national discussion on the mass media.
Me wouldn't allow it. Your hotel couldn't afford it. Because, you know, so when the people that done with you, you know, he's bury them when go bury you.
Sir, how can we compensate you for this embarrassment? Sir, as a distinguished guest, can we offer you the special recreational package? Horseback riding, scuba diving, use of the exclusive pool, sauna, the games court.
So wait, is buy you or buy me out? Is bribe you or bribe me?
Oh, no, sir, nothing of the sort.
Well, when I don't report this a hotel to CNN, ABC, NCB, BBC, LQP, what is another one?
ZQI.
Sir, what about the presidential suite, sir? And all meals?
Free of charge?
Free of charge.
Now you're talking my language. Waiter!
Waiter!
Waiter! Service here!
How?
Hey, you sure everything went out of the penetrator?
Yes, man.
1
bottle of wine.
Hold on. What the order?
Right on the top pocket.
All right. Come. One on.
1 bottle of wine. 4 helpings of rice and peas. 2 lobster. 1
Fish fillet?
fish fillet, right. 1 chef salad. And cake and ice cream for dessert.
You sure this is the order? The two of them can't eat so much.
Only order word for word. Him did all order steak and change your mind. And order it again.
You just make sure. Steak and lobster. This man can't eat steak and lobster.
You know, sir, so some of them local, let's stay, man. Them order anything will look good on the menu.
Real butter. Then, you know, here, when do you see the man, you know?
What?
Real butter, you know. Eat him breakfast and left back some. Have a nerve to turn around, look for me and say, that are the tip.
What a face. But me not look for no tip for none of them, man.
No, man, me left him. Because you know what dream you see? Go into the sauna. Set no high enough. So he himself go turn you up high. Scald off the whole and back. Then, not done yet. He might walk around with a big gash in that big hand forehead. Instead of play doubles in that tennis. And the girl them come with, lick him straight them fire.
Steady.
Yeah. Long distance? From who? Put her on. Listen. Is how you come back already? Why you cut your vacation? No. It's me alone down here. It's a lie you hear. It says me alone down here. You mad? You can't come down here. No. Hold on. Listen. Somebody at the door to me and say, I can't talk to you now. Call me back. Okay? All right.
It's when you did that talk on the phone.
Oh, it's wrong room. Somebody call some direction. You don't know which part of the place in Jamaica is. Lord.
Warm to you.
The head. Look here now. Fear. I think we better leave this place here. Let we leave.
Oliver, man, you better come with that, man. Just as I was about to enjoy myself now.
No. Me can't stay. Me have to go have my doctor. The head and the hand. Boy, come. Fear. Come me pack up them things here. Me not stay here. Me have to go doctor. Come take your bag. Take your... I said get up.
How no again? 41?
Yeah, man.
Alright, knock pan, you know.
How me fi knock pan is me two and them full up. We all I'm sorry. Then knock louder now.
Why you never come knock pan? You think me want him report me again and make me lose the little work?
Sure, man. Come, hold this.
Take your time, you know.
Yes, man. You have it?
Yeah, move your hand.
Alright.
What you do, man? What you do?
Listen, me move you a long time, man.
Alright, go on.
Alright, watch me.
Cause you look like you want to lose the work. Take your time, knock, you know.
Yeah, man.
Look, what you do now, man?
Alright, just cool now, man. Hello?
Hello? What this strange? All them out of the food and gone. Call the front desk and find out what I'm here, brother.
Nah. Hello? Yeah, front desk. Yeah, this is waiter from room service. Calling from room 41. Yeah, about the guest. Oh, I see. Okay.
What them say?
The man downstairs, I check out.
A check out?
Hey.
Come here, carry all this food, come here. Oh, boy. So what we are going to do with all this food?
Might as well take it back down to the kitchen, I suppose.
Hey, what up? From this man come here, pure complimentary baguette, you know. All this food are free.
Boy. Drop a chair there, boy.
You start to the wine, boy.
Yes, man.
I you know me never want to serve him.
A true man. Clean.
And that's my bad luck, you know. Because some more waiter not did it.
All right.
Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Come on, cheers.
See ya.
Oh, Mr. Adams, are you checking out already, sir? I hope you enjoyed your stay, sir.
You must be blind. You come. Take your key.
But why are you leaving already, sir?
Ask him again. Him could never still let us enjoy room service.
Enjoy room service and dead from the Curtis is extended to it. Me drop off of the horse. Me nearly drown in the executive pool. And the swan a burn up the hole on me back. Lord, come lady. Come here. Take the key and let me come out of this place here.
Did you enjoy your stay, ma'am?
Enjoy, ma'am. With this agony.
Here, don't get me bringing up on my dying state.
Okay. Here's your bill for your incidentals, sir.
What? No. This is not mine.
Oh, yes, it is, sir. Our telephone system is completely computerized, and it copies automatically to your bill. Now, these calls were made directly from room 41. There were 2 calls, one to Kingston and another to Port Antonio.
Then that's what you call Kingston for.
And there were 2 collect calls, sir. On both occasions, you spoke to a Marie,
When you find time to call Marie?
Lord, fear. I know me call her. I she call me. Listen now, man. Me not paying for no call when me not make you know. I beg you call the manager for me. Call the fair skin man make him come. And on the
there
case.
really is no reason to get the manager involved in this, sir. All you need to do is settle your bill.
Bill? What bill? Me say me no make no call lady. Me say me not pay for no call. Oh, watch me on in that thing. Watch me on. Me not pay for no call. Oh. Aye. Don't you say married it call collect? Why you never collect from her?
What's the telephone for? Did someone call me?
Yes? Oh, yes. Mr. Adams? Yes, I can take a message for him. Oh, yes, certainly. Mr. Adams, Marie called. She says she has arrived. And would you pick her up at the airport?
Oh, you never smoke without fire. And that she called you and tell us that she got do.
Madam, would you lower your voice, please?
That is why you broke him at Philly just if you got 2 hours. You're not paying. You don't feel pain yet, you know. You don't feel pain yet.
Marie, man.
Don't come call me, Marie. You see me look like Marie to you.
Bill, me I beg you try come on down.
Take
Take your money.
We don't need
Take
no
your
Marie,
money.
so
Take
don't
your
call
money.
me
Keep
Marie.
your
You look like
change.
Marie to
Where the
you.
buckler? Come get a taxi for me now.
Yes, get the taxi. Get the taxi.
Yeah, come